Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed trade recap of a USD CAD setup we analyzed and traded in May 2024. The key strategy we used here is the point of interest, or POI. So, let's break it down step by step. Here's where it all began. This chart was first shared in our student group on May 19th. At this point, we identified a key point of interest, POI, based on historical price action. For those new to the concept, a POI is a zone where price is likely to react, often leading to significant moves. It's essentially a magnet for price. Next, let's look at the analysis we conducted before executing the trade. As you can see, the POI zones are highlighted in gray. Our prediction was that the price would initially react to this zone, leading to a temporary retracement before continuing its overall trend. Here, we anticipated a bounce from the first POI followed by a rise towards the upper resistance levels. After reaching this area, the price was expected to reverse and head down towards our final target. Fast forward to May 27th, and this is how the trade played out. The price followed our predicted path, reacting to the POI with a significant upward movement before reversing sharply towards our lower targets. This perfect bounce and subsequent drop highlighted the power of identifying POIs accurately. Notice how the price action around the POI zones gave us clear entry and exit signals. The precision of these moves shows the reliability of POIs when combined with other technical analysis tools. Here, the double top formation and the failure to break the resistance level provided additional confirmation for the bearish move. In summary, this USD CAD trade is a textbook example of how powerful the POI strategy can be when executed correctly. By identifying key levels where price is likely to react, we can plan our trades with higher accuracy and confidence. Remember, successful trading is all about patience, discipline, and using the right tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow traders, and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights and strategies. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next. Happy trading!